It's a common misconception that relentless training is the only path to real results. Yet the truth is that our bodies need time to recover, to heal, and to grow. Picture this. You're not stepping away from your gains, but you're stepping towards a more strategic approach to fitness. One that balances hard work with smart recovery. One that understands the power of a deload week. So, let's debunk the myth that time off equals loss. Instead, let's embrace the reality that strategic rest can boost strength, enhance performance, and accelerate muscle growth. After all, training hard is important, but recovering smart is what builds real results. It's time to debunk the myth and understand the power of a deload week. So, what exactly is a deload week and why does it matter? Imagine this. You've been training hard for weeks, pushing your limits, feeling stronger and fitter with every session. Then, suddenly, you hit a wall. Your progress stalls, your muscles are constantly sore, and fatigue is your constant companion. This is where the concept of a deload week comes in. A deload week is essentially a period of decreased training volume or intensity. It's a time when you intentionally take your foot off the gas pedal and give your body the rest it needs to recover, regroup, and come back stronger. It's not about taking a complete break from training, but rather reducing the workload to allow your body to catch up. Contrary to what many may think, a deload week is not a sign of weakness or an excuse to be lazy. It's a strategic part of your training program. It's about understanding that growth doesn't just happen during training, but also during recovery.